Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 hybrid HRV Advance. Now of course this car is finished in crystal black and it does have the same drivetrain as the hybrid Jazz. However, this does have a little bit more power as it is a bigger car. With the Advances you do get these 18-inch alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can see what the design pattern on each and every alloy is like. Walking around the rear, you also get your rear parking sensors along with reversing camera. As you can see, just along the bottom you have your parking sensors. You do then have your reversing camera just up there, which makes this thing an absolute doddle to park. It's got a full electric tailgate as well, as you can see. You've also got plenty of storage space in the tailgate area. You do also have, again, with the electric tailgate, the function to completely walk away from the car with the key in the pocket and it will automatically close. Or if you want an instant reaction, just press the boot button and it will obviously drop back down. Showing you the rear alloy here now. On the interior of the car, you do have the full black interior with half cloth, half leather seats. You've got Isofix mounting points across the rear bench as well. You've got full keyless entry and keyless start, full automatic and electric windows all round. Inside the car now, you've got your brake hold, electric handbrake, your hill descent, and then your drive select. You do have 3 different drive modes in Econ, Normal and Sport. You've then got your 1-speed CVT gearbox and your dual climate control is just in the middle there. 2 front heated seats as well, which does make this thing an absolute pleasure to drive on a winter day. You've then got full satellite navigation. Got your Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio, and obviously your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've then got your audio controls just down here with your voice control, onboard computer and track select. You've then got your full speed limiter and cruise control on the right as well. We've got obviously the limiter button here which selects through your speed limiter and your cruise control. You've got your activation button for the cruise control, set and reset, lane keep assist, distance control, and last but not least your heated steering wheel. You then have your automatic headlights and your automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car is only on delivery mileage, so it has not even seen the roads as of yet. Jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. You do of course get front parking sensors as well, just to obviously cover the front end of your vehicle. But if you require any further information on this HRV, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.